Handling one record at a time is fine, until the day you have 400 of them. That's where loops and schedules come in. Let's start with when your workflow runs. Most workflows wait for something to happen. A schedule doesn't wait, it runs on your clock. Hit the plus and grab Schedule by FlowMattic as your trigger. Every few minutes, every hour, every day, week, or month. Pick the time of day, pick the day of the week, and decide whether it should fire on weekends at all. Nightly syncs, Monday digests, hourly stock checks, all of it, without touching server cron. Now, the loop. Say your trigger hands you a list, 40 orders, 200 subscribers. Add Iterator by FlowMattic and choose Loop Through Array. Point it at the list, and every step after it runs once per item. Same workflow, one run, every record handled. And while it loops, you can collect as you go. Iterator Storage keeps your results. Store them as an array or as a single string, so you can build one summary from 200 passes and use it after the loop finishes. You can also stop early. Iterator End does exactly that. Hit it, and the loop stops right there. Found what you were looking for on item 12? Don't process the other 188. One more piece. Delay. Delay for waits a set amount of time. Delay until waits for a specific moment. Perfect for pacing a loop against an API rate limit or holding a follow-up until tomorrow morning. Schedule decides when. Iterator handles how many. Delay controls how fast. That's how a workflow stops being a single task and starts being a job. Go put one job on the clock and subscribe, because next we build a complete order-to-invoice pipeline, start to finish.